Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. Just yesterday, I made a video on this for somebody, and it took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. So I thought of a better way. Maybe. I'm going to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to put it across here. And then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill that in. And then I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to fill that in and move it over. So now I have two basically objects. I'm going to left click, right click, and we can take this section here now and actually maybe rotate it from like right there and just bring that pom-pom in to where we think we want to get it. And then go right here to maybe the 3-point curve line and put a little curve to there and give a little bit of curve, then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. And we need to go down here to the pom-pom. I think this is a lot better and a lot less work and probably just as cool, because yesterday I was doing stuff like this where I'd take this line and bring it over past that line and then cut through there, and see, that way we got some little spaces and it looks like her elbow. So let's take the Smart Fill tool now and fill that in, and look what we got. Let's make it black like yesterday. And it makes it look, it was like a quarter of the work and actually looks better because it's still that same arm. Anyway, I hope that helped that gentleman and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.